So we start out today's video with someone who has hair just below the shoulder. She's got some baby bangs here. And it looks like she might be switching it up with a pixie. Oh, wow. Look at the shape of this pixie cut. It's very unique. It's extremely exaggerated. And it kind of has like a nice, messy, chic rocker vibe to it. Very cute. So here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. So I'm thinking she's probably gonna get a bob here. So it looks like she's actually going to do some shaggy layers, very popular hair trend. Stylist places the hair into 2 braids. And she does let her do a bit of a DIY cut here. Of course, she's gonna clean this up. And then the stylist adds in the layers, so she gets like this really cute shaggy layered bob. Wow, very nice. So here we have someone with very long hair, and it looks like she gets a nice little bob makeover here. Bangs added to the front. Very cute. So she ended up getting the bottleneck bob style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.
Just get your shit and go. Man, like me. Like, I'm up in the club on a Saturday night.